the best places to live near Inova Fairfax Hospital. Hi, I'm Victoria Bali with V-Star Real Estate. I help my clients find amazing homes in Northern Virginia. Inova Fairfax is the largest hospital campus in Northern Virginia. The hospital is one of the largest employers in Fairfax County. It is also a highly respected teaching hospital. First, there is Annandale. Most of the communities in Annandale are of older construction, which means newly built homes are in a short supply. Annandale is brimming with older yet beautiful townhomes. A few condominium complexes are also a convenient walk to the hospital campus and perfect for those looking for smaller homes that require less maintenance. Camelot is one of the most popular neighborhoods in the area and features a larger homes that are competitively priced. From boutiques to coffee shops and family-friendly outdoor recreation, Annandale has plenty to offer its residents. Mantua is another of our favorites. It is a community of more than 1,500 homes in the center of Fairfax County and just 4 miles from the Inova Fairfax Hospital. The median home value is $780,000, so Mantua is one of the more expensive areas to live near Inova Fairfax Hospital. The neighborhoods in Mantua consist mostly of single-family, detached homes. While older homes are available, the area is also full of new construction. Larger lots are prevalent. You'll also find several new townhouse communities located near the metro station. Boutiques, grocery stores, and plenty of dining options are conveniently located in the center of Mantua. In addition, public schools in the area have excellent reputation. Next on our list, the city of Fairfax. Fairfax City has a small town charm, but still offers a great mix of property types. Little River Hills is a quiet and notable neighborhood of luxury homes in Fairfax City. Fairfax City also offers a variety of townhome style, size, and price. Downtown Fairfax is one of the most popular neighborhoods to live and is just 5 miles from Inova Fairfax Hospital. Also referred to as Old Town Fairfax, homes in the area are a mix of new construction and all historic structures. Living in Old Town can be a bit more costly than other parts of Fairfax. Yet it is a great place to live because it's more walkable than many other areas and there are good selection of restaurants and shops to choose from. Alexandria is another great place to live and is located 15 miles from the Inova Hospital. If you choose to live in Alexandria, you'll probably choose to rely solely on your own vehicle for transportation. The drive is under 25 minutes and public transportation is a less viable option. With a cost of living index around 150, Alexandria is one of the most expensive places to live in Virginia. However, many residents find that the cost is worth the lifestyle in Alexandria. You'll find almost all styles of living in Alexandria. The townhomes of Delray, the single-family homes of Seminary Hill, and Old Town's waterfront condos are charming row houses are practically sought after. With over 50 miles of on-street bike lines, Alexandria's charming neighborhoods cater to bicycles. Some of the best foods, wine, and festivals take place in Alexandria. Lastly, we'll discuss Woodbridge. It is an affordable option for home buyers, and it has one of the lowest cost of living of all the areas surrounding Inova Fairfax. Woodbridge lies just 17 miles south of Inova Fairfax Hospital. The real estate market in Woodbridge offers a mix of smaller single-family homes and newly developed communities with large homes and townhomes. There are numerous city and state parks, other waterfront hiking, camping, fishing, and boating. Woodbridge is also home to Virginia's largest outlet mall. Going into housing market can be a challenge, and we are here to help. Be sure to follow along for more videos about buying a home in Northern Virginia. You can also check out our website for all of the latest property listings in the area.